Try searching for the definition of happiness in Google, and the search result is defined as an emotional state characterized by feeling of joy, satisfaction, contentment, and fulfillment. But the true question is, how do you even achieve happiness? Well, I'm no expert in this topic, but I try to get happiness with small pleasures in life. So today's video is all about how we gather these small pleasures. When you see the birds flying so carefree, as soon as you open the window, your curiosity to see the world from their view increases. The next logical thing to do is to find a perfect location. Take out the drone and set it free to fly, and in no time, it makes me feel like I'm flying with the birds. The aerial views that the drone captures always mesmerizes me, as the views are something that we don't get to see in our day-to-day life. As you fly around the place, you'll realize how small the world is, and the views from above are so serene, and suddenly you'll get this feeling that the whole world is at your fingertip, and you can keep on flying without even realizing that all the petty earthly worries just vanishes. The immense happiness it brings is just not quantifiable, and the best part is that this happiness is multiplied as the videos captured while flying can be shared so that everyone gets to experience the same feeling. Exploring new places and meeting new people always amplifies the joy of traveling, and doing the same over an ice-cold French beer combined with April Spirit, which you have bought for your partner, and sitting down, relaxing and enjoying the views of La Havre coastline in France is a true index of happiness, and this is something that you need to personally experience. The more you travel, you'll realize that it's not what you look at that matters, it's what you see. Pick up a destination of your choice and plan your travel, as there is no other joy than leaving behind all the hustle and bustle in your daily life and break free for a few days or maybe even a day. Live life with no excuse and travel with no regret. Create your own story, and by traveling and narrate them with your own feeling. Let the compass or the map lead you and not the clock. As the day had started in search of happiness, the sunset prompts you of all the achievement that you have made throughout the day. But it also reminds you that the world moves too fast and you may lose yourself in the chaos. Hello everyone, it's me Himangshu and welcome to Ramble and Curry. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do let me know in the comment section as to what makes you happy. Hit the subscribe button because that will definitely increase the happiness index of the channel. And don't forget to like and share this video. For now, I want you to take a deep breath and think about the small things that make you happy.